Hello friends, my name is Lakshman Muralidhar Billevar. Today we will discuss about identifiers and literals in Java. So first of all, identifiers in Java. Identifiers in Java are symbolic names used for identification. They can be a class name, variable name, method name, package name, constant name and more. However, in Java, there are some reserved words that cannot be used as an identifier. So for every identifier, there are some conversation that should be used before declaring them. Let's understand it with a simple Java programs. Then rules for identifier in Java. There are some rules and convention for declaring the identifiers in Java. So first, a valid identifier must have characters as capital A to Z or small a to Z, or numbers like 0 to 9 and underscore or a dollar sign. For example, at the rate Java point. Then next one is there should not be any space in an identifier. For example, Java point is an invalid identifier. An identifier should be of length 4 to 15 characters only. Then next one is an identifier should not be any query language keywords such as select, from, count, delete, etc. Then discuss about literals in Java. So literal, any constant value which can be assigned to the variable is called literal. In simple word, literals in Java is a synthetic representation of Boolean, numeric, character or string data. It is a medium of expressing particular values in the program, such as an integer variable name, that is slash count is assigned an integer value in the following statement. Integral literals. For integral literals data types, byte, short, int, long, we can specify literals in 4 ways. So first is decimal literals, that is in this form we allow digits are 0 to 9. Then octal literals, in this form we allow digits are 0 to 7. Then hexadecimal literals, in this form we allow digits are 0 to 9 and characters are A to F. We can use both uppercase and lowercase characters, as we know that Java is a case sensitive programming language, but here Java is not case sensitive. Then next one is binary literals. From 1.7 onwards, we can specify literal value even in binary. From also allowed digits are 0 and 1. Literals value should be prefixed with 0 small b or 0 capital B. Then floating point literal. For floating point data types, we can specify literals in only decimal form, and we can't specify in octal and hexadecimal forms. Then hexadecimal literals, in this form we allow digits are 0 to 9. Then char literals. For char data types, we can specify literals in 4 ways. Then that is single quote. In single quote, we can specify literal to a char data type as a single character within the single quote. Then char literal as integral. Integral literal, we can specify char literal as integral literal, which represents the Unicode value to the character. Then next one is string literals. String literals, any sequence of character with double quotes is treated as string literals. String literals, so for example, string s is equal to double quote in hello. Then string literal may not contain unescaped new line or line fit characters. Then last one is Boolean literals. Only 2 values are allowed for Boolean literals, that is true and false. So that's all about the identifier and literals in Java. Thank you.